Hello my people, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Eugene family. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I made my soya beans powder. So I'll be showing you how I made my soya beans powder. Please watch this video to the end, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos. So let's dive down to the video. At this point I am picking out all the dirt on inside this soya beans. I'm picking out everything, all the dirt in it. There are stones, and let me tell you something, this soya beans contains so many dirt in it, so it needs to be picked thoroughly. Stones and many other things are inside the soya beans. Look at how my hands are dirty, so you need to be picked thoroughly. Pick every dirt out from it carefully. So I'm done picking out. The next thing I am doing here right now is just washing it. So I washed it more than 3 times. I washed it thoroughly more than 3 times. Then, as you can see, I'm still washing. The thing I'm doing here is to soak it. I'm putting it into a clean bowl to soak it. You know, this process, like just the way you do your beans, when you want to make your moi, like your baked beans, that same process you use for that, and use it for this soya beans too. So you have to soak it and allow the back peel, what should I call it, to dissolve, so you can be able to remove the back. To peel off the back skin. Should I say the back skin or the top skin? So this is me here doing my thing. That same way you do your moi, you do. So at this point I am done removing the back, peeling off the back cover, the back skin of the soya beans. Look at how clean and neat it looks. This is how it should look, you know. Then I'm going to be sieving up the water. I'm done with everything. Here I am sun drying it. You know, if you have a tray, you can put it outside, or any plastic or any bag, just spread it on it, allow it to dry. So you can leave it under the sun for 1 or 2 days, depending on how hot the weather is. If the weather is very hot, that day is enough for it. So for me, that day was enough for me because the weather was very, very hot. So the next thing I did now is to toast my soya beans. toasting the soya beans is to give it like a nice, is it flavor or taste, the soya beans taste, you know. So I'm toasting it on fire. If you have air fryer, you can use it, but me, I don't have any, so I'm using. You continue the process till you're done toasting the soya beans. So you toast it till it is golden brown. Toast it till it's golden brown, then it is okay. So I'm done frying it. The next thing I'm going to do is to grind it to powder form. This is my powdered soya beans. The end result of it.
More music on DavePlay.com.